Where are my girlies that love watching the DIY hairstyles? Come because you'll be seeing so many amazing ways which you can, style your natural hair, or should I say a DIY hairstyle that you can actually try on your natural hair at home, or your friend can help you do that. Hi guys, you're welcome back to the channel. It's a girl from a beauty world, and I've come again with another interesting video. You see this particular mind-blowing hairstyle transformation. This particular one is so beautiful, and there are ones that you can actually do with your natural hair. Yes, all you just need to do is bring your braiding gel and get into work immediately. Look at this particular pretty lady here. She's actually showing you guys that some people are talented. Yes, because for her, she's talented. Look at this amazing hairstyle that she did in her hair. Wow. All she just did was to section her hair, and she's just good to go, and the outcome was something that is mind-blowing for me. I love all this particular simple ponytail hairs that I'm seeing here that she did in her hair, because they're actually beautiful and mind-blowing. And for the fact that she actually showed the detailed tutorial on how she was able to achieve it is something that is so good. So you, as a lady, as a woman, if you have this particular detachable ponytail clip, or should I say detachable ponytail hair extension at home, why not try out this all this DIY ponytail hairstyle that our pretty lady here is showing us the styles? Why not try it out and thank me later? This particular one is actually my favorite. Yes, I don't know, but that's my favorite. It's looking so beautiful and stylish. If you have a healthy natural hair, definitely this will be a good try for you. Yes, look at this particular one too. This one is actually also in different color, and is also a DIY hairstyle. I think what you just need to do is wet your hair and do other serere. But for this one, I don't know if this is her natural hair or did she use hair extension. Is there something that I did not see here? Girl, you have a good natural hair, a healthy one at that. Okay. I actually saw this one. She used a hair extension to it. But her natural hair is so healthy and beautiful. Anyway, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment. For those of you that have already subscribed and liked the video, thank you guys so much. You guys are actually the best. Look at this particular one too. This one is looking so beautiful and stunning. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.